If you're looking to dive into the world of AI agents, Mastra AI might have caught your attention, but does it really deliver on its promise of being a comprehensive framework for building AI agents? Let's dig into the details. Mastra AI presents itself as a framework designed for developers wanting to create intelligent agents. At its core, it allows for the integration of various AI models, enabling users to build customized solutions tailored to specific needs. The user experience is relatively straightforward, with an emphasis on flexibility. You can mix and match components, which is great for more advanced users who want to fine-tune their agents. However, I noticed the documentation could use some improvement. While there's a decent amount of information available, new users might find themselves lost without clear guidance on getting started. The platform appears to target developers who are familiar with AI concepts, but I wonder how approachable it is for beginners. Overall, the user interface feels clean, but a little more clarity on the initial setup would go a long way in helping new users feel more confident diving in. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Mastra AI offers significant flexibility and customization, which is a huge draw for experienced developers. The ability to integrate multiple AI models into a single agent is impressive and could lead to some innovative applications. On the flip side, the learning curve might be steep for those not already familiar with AI development. The lack of comprehensive onboarding resources could frustrate newcomers. Also, there's limited information about community support or user feedback, which raises some trust concerns. Pricing details are vague, and without clear transparency on costs, users might hesitate before committing. If you're a seasoned developer looking to experiment and innovate, Mastra AI could be worth exploring. But if you're just starting out, you might want to consider alternatives with a more supportive learning environment. In summary, Mastra AI has potential, especially for those with a solid background in AI development. However, the unclear documentation and steep learning curve could make it less appealing for beginners. If you're ready to tackle the challenge, it's worth a try. But otherwise, exploring more beginner-friendly options might be a better bet.